Every day, 10.7% of people go hungry. That's nearly 930 million people. With this many people near starvation, we have to ask, what can be done? Well, even though these just look like normal fruits and vegetables, they're actually GMOs, and they are the solution to this problem. But what is a GMO? Well, a GMO, or genetically modified organism, is just what it sounds like. A plant that's genome has been changed to give it favorable traits. First step scientists do in making a GMO is identifying a wanted trait for a plant. This is done by looking into nature for adaptations from other organisms to use. For example, if there was a need for a plant to survive in a harsh climate, scientists would look for natural adaptations of plants in that area to use. Then, scientists isolate the gene that holds the wanted trait by either doing comparative analysis between the organism with a specific gene and other organisms within the same species that do not include the trait, or scientists will take part of the genome with the trait out until the trait is non-existent in the organism and in turn found. After, scientists use gene guns that fire metal particles that are coated with the DNA of the trait into the plant's tissues, adapting the genome, or they will use bacteria to smuggle the DNA into the plant genome, giving the same outcome. Finally, the specially modified plant genome is tested on to see if it is able to be grown and reproduced. This process usually involves special facilities to give the plant the best survival rate with temperature and weather control. The advantages of GMOs are numerous. GMOs can be created to grow in harsher environments and non-fertile soil. They can have an increased resistance to insects and pesticide, and they can produce a larger yield than a normal plant. All this will be great use if taken advantage of. So just think, GMOs might not be the end-all be-all to solving a hunger crisis, but they are a great asset in daily and prolonged life.